So student, this is the new topic, important topic for trigonometry point of view, trigonometrical equations. Topic name is trigonometrical equations. Equation means you know that two algebraic expressions are connected with the symbol equality is known as an equation. For example, 2x and 3. This is one algebraic expression, this is another algebraic expression connected by the symbol equality. This is called an equation. 2x equal to 3. So what is the value of x here? What 2x equal to 3 means here? So this is x is called unknown. We want to find out the value of this unknown so that the statement becomes true. The value of that unknown is called solution of this equation. Obviously 2x equal to 3, then I can say x equal to 3 by 2. What is the meaning of that? Instead of x you write 3 by 2. So we will get LHS is equal to RHS, 3 equal to 3. Then what I can say, x equal to 3 by 2 is the solution of this equation. What is the meaning of this? Nana, 2x equal to 3, then what I can say, x equal to 3 by 2, only one solution, only one x will satisfied by this equation, because this is a linear equation in one variable. For example, students, listen Nana here, x square equal to 4 given. This is also another equation. This is not called a linear equation. Okay, here what happened? What are the solutions? Instead of x, what should write so that LHS is equal to RHS? That should identify. So you can write 2 Nana, minus 2 also you can write. 2 you write instead of x, 2 square 4, 4 equal to 4, true only. Instead of x you write minus 2 square 4, 4 equal to 4, correct only. So the meaning of that 2 satisfies and minus 2 also satisfies. Means for this equation we are getting two solutions. For this equation we are getting two solutions. For this equation we are getting only one solution. So number of solutions for linear equation one variable depend upon its degree. Okay. So sometimes you can write solution set I can write for this equation. Solution set for this equation is set bracket 2 comma minus 2. Solution set for this equation is only one singleton set, that is 3 by 2. Okay, this is about equation and solution. So what is our topic now? Trigonometrical equations. Trigonometrical equations means equations involving trigonometrical ratios or equations involving trigonometrical functions. For example, students listen, log x base 3 plus 4 minus x equal to 0, then find the value of x means what? This is called logarithmic equation. Logarithmic equation, because in this equation logarithms are involving. Like that, if an equation involving trigonometrical functions or trigonometrical ratios, such equation is called trigonometrical equations. For example, sin x equal to 1 by 2. So I can say that this is a trigonometrical equation. Now we want to find the value of unknown x. So instead of x, what should write so that LHS becomes LHS equal to RHS. Such x value should find. Those are called solutions of the equation. Okay, students. How to find I will explain. Listen. You people can say directly answer. No, sin x equal to half means x equal to pi by 6. Or another words you can say 30 degree. Both are same. In radians pi by 6. In degrees 30 degree. What is the meaning of that, Nana? If x is taken as pi by 6, it satisfies. It satisfies. Okay. So what you can say that, sir, the x value is equal to pi by 6. Okay. What I am saying, this is one of the solution. This is not total solution. Why? Because already you know the concept of allied angles. Listen, students. Sin of pi minus x equal to sin x only. Sin of 2 pi plus x equal to sin x only. Very, very important, no? Allied angles concept I explained already in trigonometry. Sin of pi minus x sin x only. Sin of 2 pi plus x sin x only. Put x equal to pi by 6 here. What happened? Sin of pi minus pi by 6 equal to sin pi by 6 only. Sin of pi minus pi by 6, 5 pi by 6. Also sin pi by 6 only. Sin pi by 6 what, Nana? 1 by 2 only. What is the meaning of that? Instead of this x, I can write 5 pi by 6 also. Not only 5 by 6, 5 pi by 6 also I can write, Nana. Understood? So, instead of x you write pi by 6, what happened? Pi by 6, 2 pi plus pi by 6. Also equal to sin of pi by 6 only. What is the meaning of that? 6 to the 12, 13 pi by 6. Sin of 13 pi by 6 also sin pi by 6 only. It is also 1 by 2 only. So instead of x, what I can write? 13 pi by 6 also I can write. 13 pi by 6 also I can write. Okay, so what happened? Sin x equal half means what is the value of x here? Not unique. Here not unique. Here the value of x is unique. Here the values of x are unique. 2 and minus 2 only. No other values of x will satisfy. But here what happened? Sin x equal half means x equal pi by 6 satisfying. 5 pi by 6 satisfying. 13 pi by 6 satisfying. So many. I will show you. Sin of 2n pi plus x equal to sin x only. So this is also one of the important result for us. Sin of 2n pi plus x is sin x only, because sin is a periodic function with 2 pi. Okay, students. So instead of when you write 1, then you will get this. So instead of when you write 2, nana, what happened? Sin 4 pi plus x also sin x only. Put x equal to pi by 6, nana. 4 pi plus pi by 6. What is that? 6 4s are 24. 25 by 25 pi by 6. What is the meaning of that? 25 pi by 6 also satisfying. So on. We will get infinitely many solutions. What is the meaning of that? If sin x equal 1 by 2 given, there existing infinitely many solutions. One of the solution is this, another one is this, another one is this, another one is this. Like that, you get infinitely many solutions. So our target is how to combine a common solution for this equation. One of the solution 5 by 6, another solution is 5 by 6, another solution 13 by 6, but we want generalize all these. You want to write all these solutions by using a single formula. How to write? You want to write a formula here, so that formula should satisfy by all these solutions. So finding such formula is known as finding general solution of given trigonometric equation. Students, listen, Nana. Sin x equal half. These are all solutions. But what I want, I don't want to write like x equal pi by 6, 5 by 6, 13 pi by 6, 25 by 7, on. That is not right way to write the answer. So what should do, Nana? We want write a single formula satisfied by all these solutions. That single formula should identify. After identifying the single formula, you can say that is only the solution of the problem. So I will write here. See here, n pi plus minus 1 power n into pi by 6, where n belongs to z. What I can say? This is a single rule satisfied by all these solutions. But how you got that? That I will explain later. Just to accept now. Just accept in this situation. So what I am saying, this is the common rule satisfied by all these solutions. You take n equal to 1, you got one solution. Take n equal to 1, for example, n is taken as 0. This is 0 plus minus 1 power 0 into pi by 6. Pi by 6 only. This solution will get. Take n equal to 1, what happened? Pi plus minus 1 power 1 means minus 1 only. I will write here. Pi by 6. Pi minus pi by 6. 5 pi by 6. This solution. Like that. You take instead of n any integer. Important thing is n is integer. Take any integer. So we will get all the solutions. So these all solutions are written in single formula. The single formula is n pi plus minus 1 power n into pi by 6, where n belongs to z. Okay, students, important thing is how you got that. That is important thing. How you got that? That is important thing. Just again I want to write n pi plus minus 1 power n into pi by 6, where n belongs to z. This is the value of x. Okay, important note, students. Instead of this, what I wrote, pi by 6. Not only 5 by 6, here pi by 6 also can write. 5 pi by 6 also can write. Okay, I will show you. N pi plus minus 1 power n into 5 pi by 6, where n belongs to z. I can say this is the common rule for allowed by all these. Okay, no problem. Put n equal to 0, then you will get this one. Put n equal to minus 1, put n equal to 1, then this value also will get. That's why instead of this, you can write any one of the solution, any one of either pi by 6 or 5 pi by 6 or 3 pi by 6 or 7, 25, anything you can write. So generally what they are writing, the general solution is n pi plus minus 1 power n into some alpha, where n belongs to z. What is alpha? Alpha means pi by 6, alpha pi by 6, alpha 3 pi by 6, 13 pi by 6, 20, anything you can write alpha. So that alpha is called a particular solution. Here alpha means particular solution. So sin x equal half, no, these all are solutions, any one of them is called particular solution. Alpha is a particular solution. Instead of this alpha, any angle you can write, either pi by 6 you can write, or 5 pi by 6 you can write, or 13 pi by 6 you can write, or 25 pi by 6, anything you can write. Okay students, so what is alpha? Alpha stands for a particular solution, but in our textbooks, what they are saying that your alpha should be belongs to minus pi by 2, pi by 2. Some other textbooks, what they are giving, your alpha should be belongs to 0 to 2 pi. All are give same meaning. What I am saying, any alpha you can take, no? Any alpha you can take. So pi by 6 or 5 pi by 6 or 13 pi by 6 or any alpha you can take. In general, alpha should be taken between minus pi by 2, pi by 2, or in general, alpha is taken as 0 to pi by anything. So such solutions are called principal solutions. No. This is called general solution. So instead of alpha, what you are writing, those are called principal solution. Generally, alpha can be taken any value, but in general, according to our textbooks, alpha value should be taken as minus pi by 2, or alpha value should be taken as 0 to 2 pi. This is better than this. So in our book, what they gave, alpha should be between minus pi by 2, pi by 2. But what I am saying, whatever may alpha you can take. Now what I am saying, alpha should be taken as from 0 to 2 pi. What values of alpha taken from 0 to 2 pi is called particular solution, or sometimes called principal solution. Okay students, listen all of you, important, difficult one also. Once again listen students. The question is sin x equal half. How to find value of x? Okay, what I did, I wrote a formula. I will explain how we got that also. Just no, accept what I am saying. Your x should be n pi plus minus 1 power n into alpha, where n belongs to z, and alpha is a particular solution, or alpha is a principal solution. According to our textbook, principal solution means alpha value should be minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Any one of the value should be taken from minus pi by 2, pi by 2. That is said to be the principal solution. In generally, what I am saying, that alpha value taken from 0 to 2 pi also no problem, or instead of alpha any particular value also can take, no problem. You get all the solutions only. Okay students, what is n here? N is an integer. So this is the general solution for this equation. But how you got this formula, that is important thing. That is our actual task, finding general solution of trigonometrical equations. So just to introduce, so I will explain each and everything again and again. Just to introduce what is the meaning of trigonometrical equations, and what is the meaning of general solution, and what is the meaning of particular solution. Any one of the solution is called particular solution. General solution is what? We want to generalize all these solutions by using a formula. This is called general solution. How you got this formula, we will discuss. That is not at all big problem. Okay, Ranana? Yeah, listen. Yeah, title, Nana, listen. Trigonometric equations. Trigonometric equation. Equations involving one or more trigonometrical functions of a variable are called trigonometrical equations. Example, sin x plus half equal to 0. Example 2, sin square x plus 2 cos x plus 1 equal to 0. This is one trigonometric equation, this is another trigonometrical equation. So what happened in second trigonometric equation, two trigonometrical ratios are involved, that is sin and cos. Okay, tan x plus secant square x plus 1 equal to 0. This is another trigonometrical equations. I am not saying trigonometric inequation, at last. Trigonometrical equation. This is one trigonometric equation, this is one trigonometrical equation, this is one trigonometrical equation. Our target is to find the solution of these trigonometrical equations. Okay, just the definition. Equations involving one or more trigonometrical functions of a variable are called trigonometrical function. So what happened? This is the variable of the equation. Sin x only variable of the equation. So just like x plus 1 by 2 equal to 0, what is the value of x? Like that, sin x plus 1 by 2 equal to 0. So instead of variable, we have trigonometrical functions. So sin x equal half, such x value should find none. Okay? Yeah, general solution. What is the meaning of general solution? Just now I explained. No, sin x equal half given. What is the meaning of particular solution? What is the meaning of general solution? Both are important. Particular solution or principal solution. Two things will be happen. Principal solution, general solution. Okay, principal solution or particular solution. Your x should be between minus pi by 2, pi by 2. One of the value should be taken from minus pi by 2, pi by 2. Or x belongs to 0 to 2 pi. This is better one. Take any value that is called principal solution or particular solution for any trigonometrical function. Especially sine, the value should be taken as minus pi by 2, pi by 2. Why you want to take that we will discuss later. General for any trigonometrical function, your value should be between 0 to 2 pi, that is taken as principal solution. General solution means just I explained, no? One is pi by 6, 5 pi by 6. All these values should be generalized by using a formula. That is called its general solution. Just here definition is given. I want to read nana. General solution, the values of the unknowns, unknown angles that satisfy the given equation are called solutions. Okay. The set of all solutions is called solution set or general solution. So by using this formula, you can get all the solutions. Okay, Nana? General solution of the trigonometrical equation. The process of finding the solution set is called solving trigonometrical equation. How we will get this solution? The procedure is called solving trigonometrical equation. Students, this is very, very, very important topic and also difficult. Okay? Yeah. One by one, I want to explain, students. Okay? So how we will proceed, that is important thing. Okay, here principal solution of an equation or principal value of equation, just I will write one formula. Okay, what I can say, for any trigonometrical equation, the value of unknown angle, say alpha belongs to closer 0 to closer to pi. In general, and actually in our textbooks, what they are giving for sine one interval, for cos another interval, okay, for tan another interval, like that. But in general, I can say that your alpha should be from 0 to 2 pi. For any trigonometrical equation, the value of unknown angle, say alpha belongs to 0 to pi, is known as principal solution or particular solution. Principal solution. Just that's all, Nana. Don't confuse. For sine given or tan given, cot given, whatever it may be, your alpha should be between 0 to 2 pi. Okay, that is valid value. For example, tan function is given, that alpha should not be equal to pi by 2, because alpha taken as pi by 2, tan alpha would define. Okay, such a way that you want to choose angles from 0 to 2 pi. Those are taken as principal solutions or particular solutions. So one interval to find particular solution. For a cos, you want to take one interval to find the particular solution. Okay, that also correct. This one also correct. This is better way to solve the problems, Nana. I think everything is okay. So leave it, Nana. Just slowly you want to learn the concept. What I explain now, what is trigonometrical equation? That is one thing. After that, what is the general solution? After that, what is the principal solution? Without principal solution, you can't write general solution, because what I wrote for a general solution for sine function, n pi plus minus 1 power n into something, I write alpha. This alpha only called principal solution for that equation. Okay, first of all, we need to find principal solution, then only you can find general solution. Okay, yeah, this is the definition of principal solution. Next, actual concept is general solution of simple trigonometrical equation. Actually, listen, student. Sin x equal half. What is x value? Cos x is equal root 3 by 2. What is x value? How to find x value? That is called general solution. But simple, no? Stage 1 is right hand side should be 0, Nana. Right hand side should be 0. Tan x equal 0. Sin x equal 0. What is x value? Cos x equal 0. What is x value? Tan x equal 0. What x value? How to find x value? That is called finding general solution of this equation. What type of this equation? This is called simple trigonometrical equation. After that, by using this only, you can find the solution for sin x equal 1 by 2. By using this one only, you can find the solution for sin x equal root 3 by 2 and so on. First of all, we want to find the general solution of simple trigonometrical equation. Simple trigonometrical equation means sin x equal 0, cos x equal 0, tan x equal 0. Okay, Nana? Listen all of you. First one. Sin theta equal to 0. Then what is the value of theta? Everyone. Then theta, we can say that theta equal to n pi, where n belongs to z. Okay, everyone can say, no? Because you know the graph of sine function also. So this is the graph of sine function. Okay, but what is the meaning of that? Sin theta equal 0 means sin theta equal to y here. What values of theta? Y is 0. Y equal 0 means on x axis only, no? Means where that graph intersecting x axis, here, and so on. What is the point actually here? 0, 0. What is the point, Nana? Pi, 0. What is the point, Nana? 2 pi, 0. What is the meaning of that? You can take your theta as 0, or pi, or 2 pi, or minus pi, or minus 2 pi, and so on. What is the meaning of that? Integral multiple of pi. Theta should be integral multiple of pi. Very, very important, Nana. Graphs of trigonometrical functions also very, very important. That too, basic graph. Okay? Students, this is first one, important one. Listen. What is that? Sin theta, sorry, not theta here, 0 should write. Okay, by mistake I wrote theta. I want to reduce the eraser size. Okay, no problem. Students, listen here. What happened? Sin theta equal to 0. Then what is the theta? Now I can say theta equal n pi. What is n? N belongs to z. This should remember, none. This should remember. Just now explain, no? Second one. Cos theta equal to 0. Then theta equal to what? Cos theta. You need to use the graph of cos function. Generally you can say that odd multiple of pi by 2 it happens. I will show you. So this is the graph of cos function. So here x equal to 0, here x equal to 0. Sorry, here y equal to 0, 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 here y equal to 0. We need to identify what are the points, Nana. This one. What is this point? Pi by 2, 0. What is this? 3 pi by 2, 0. What is this? 5 pi by 2, 0. What is this? Minus pi by 2, 0. What are the values of theta? So, pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 by 2, minus pi by 2. For those values of theta, this happens. So, what I can say? One is pi by 2. Okay, another is 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, so on, minus pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2. Observe, Nana, 3, 5, 1 means odd multiple of pi by 2. Odd multiple of pi by 2. That's what I can say. Your theta should have the form 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to z. Take any integer, Nana. 2n plus 1 means what? Either 1 or 3 or 5 and so on. That's why what I can say, cos theta equal to 0. Cos theta equal to 0. Then what is theta means? What I can say? 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, n belongs to z. This should remember, very, very important. Cos theta equal 0 means, what is theta? 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Sin theta equal 0, what is theta? N pi. Third one. Tan theta equal to 0. Then theta equal to. Tan theta equal 0 means what, Nana? Sin theta by cos theta equal 0 only. Sin theta must should 0. Sin theta equal 0. What values of theta, Nana? N pi only. Here also n pi only. N pi where n belongs to z. Similarly, for cot theta equal 0 also you can write. Sec theta equal to 0 never happens, no? Sec theta never happens 0 because sec theta value is from minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity only. Sec theta output never 0. That's why sec theta equal 0 means no solution. Cosec theta equal 0 also no solution. Okay, Nana? Sin theta equal to 0. What is theta means? N pi, where n belongs to z. Cos theta equal 0. What is theta? 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, n belongs to z. Tan theta equal 0. What is theta? N pi where n belongs to z. Cot theta equal 0. What is theta? Just you can write. That is not big problem. No? Cot theta also I can write. Cot theta, sorry, not cos, cot. Cot theta equal to 0. Then theta equal to same. Cos theta by sin theta, cos theta must should 0. Cos theta 0 means your theta should have the form 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 where n belongs to z. Nana. Very very important. These three should remember. Nana. First three should remember. Without this I can't find the general solutions. I hope you people understood how to find the general solution of the equation sin theta equal 0. Just sin theta equal 0. You should remember sin theta equal 0 just should say theta equal n pi where n belongs to z. Cos theta equal 0 means you should just to say theta equal 2n plus pi by 2. No need to remember these two also. By using these two only you can remember no these two. That's why just to need to remember these two. Sin theta equal 0. What is theta means n pi where n belongs to z. Cos theta equal 0. What is theta means you should say 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 where n belongs to z. Okay students. Based on these two only you can find the general solution of trigonometrical equations for sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec, cosec and everything. Okay. I hope you people understood now. Okay. Yeah. Just I wrote here what I explained. General solution of sin theta equal 0 is this n pi where n belongs to z. General solution of cos theta is 0 is 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 where n belongs to z. General solution of tan theta equal to same n pi n belongs to z. Should remember Nana. Yeah, this is very 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 important. General solution for the equation of the form sin theta equal to k, sin theta equal to something. I wrote no sin theta 1 by 2. I want to find a general solution. Just what I wrote instead of 1 by 2 k I wrote sin theta equal to k. You know that sin theta output is from minus 1 to 1 only. That's why your k value should be lies between minus 1 to 1. Then only you can find the solution. For if k belongs to minus 1 to 1, then theta value is given by n pi plus minus 1 for n into alpha, where n belongs to z, where alpha is a principal solution. But I want to prove this Nana. Just previously given, no? You people should accept that, but now we need to prove this result. I hope you people are following. What is situation? Na? Sin theta equal 0. Then what is theta? Direct like theta equal n pi. Completed. But sin theta is not 0 here. No? Sin theta is some k. K may be 0 also. But other than 0 values also there. No? K is lies between minus 1 to 1. What is the meaning of that? Sin theta is equal root 3 by 2. What is theta value? Sin theta is equal minus 1 by 7. What is the value of theta? Like that. Okay. So, we want to find the general solution of the equation of the form sin theta equal to k for k belongs to minus 1 to 1. The solution is given by here, some formula is given. So, I want to derive that formula, students. Listen all of you. Important, Nana. Sin, I want to use another color. Sin theta equal to some k for k belongs to minus 1 to 1. Let for some alpha, generally from 0 to 2 pi or minus pi by 2 pi by 2, that is not big problem. Let for some alpha belongs to sin alpha equal to k. Now listen Nana, here sin theta equal 1 by 2 given. No? Some alpha, one of the alpha what is 30 degree I can say. No? One of the alpha what I can say pi by 6 radians. No? Like that, one of the alpha I wrote here. Let for some alpha belongs 0 to 2 pi, sin alpha equal to k. So, k equal 1 by 2 means what is the alpha here? Pi by 6, like that. Exists, no? That null I wrote here. Sin theta equal to k, k belongs to minus 1 to 1. Let for some alpha belongs to 0 to 2 pi, sin alpha equal to k. Okay, listen now. So, this is say the equation 1. So, equation 1 becomes sin theta equal to sin alpha, or in other words I can say that sin theta minus sin alpha equal to 0. Yeah, we have transformation concept. I want to write the transformation concept. Sin c minus sin d equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. This is the one of the formula from transformations. Okay students, listen now. So what happened here? This is in the form of sin c minus sin d only. What I can say? 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 equal to 0 only. In other words, what I can say? Cos of theta plus alpha by 2 equal to 0. Okay, wait. I will explain clearly. 1 minute. Okay, into sin of theta minus alpha by 2 equal to 0. Because 2xy equal 0 means what happened? Xy equal 0 only, 2 never 0 only. Xy equal 0. X into y equal 0, when this happens, either x equal 0 or y equal 0, both are x and y are 0. That I will write. Cos of theta plus alpha by 2 equal to 0 or sin of theta minus alpha by 2 equal 0 or both. Both should be 0. Okay, next page I will write. Cos of theta plus alpha by 2 equal to 0 or sin of theta minus alpha by 2 equal to 0. Students, here important, listen with care. Yeah, listen students. This is just like cos theta equal to some 0, just like this one, just like cos theta equal 0. What is the value of theta, Nana? Just now explain, no? I will show you. Here, cos theta equal 0 means what is the value of theta, na? 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. N. What is n here? Integer. So in examination, instead of n I can write k also, instead of p also I can write 2p plus 1 where p belongs pi by 2. Where p belongs z also I can write no problem. No? Instead of this n I can write p or k or m or l, whatever it may be. We should mention what is that. So what is p here? Integer, like that. Okay. So listen students. No. This is in the form of cos theta equal to 0. What is theta? Your theta should be 2k plus 1 into pi by 2 or 2l plus 1 into pi by 2 where l belongs to integer. Okay, that I will write now here. Implies theta plus alpha by 2 equal to 2m plus 1 into pi by 2 where n belongs to z, m belongs to z, or this one I will write later. First of all, identify Nana this here. Theta plus alpha by 2 equal to 2m plus 1 into pi by 2. Correct or not? Correct only, no? Just now explained. 2 get cancelled now. So what happened here? Theta plus alpha equal to 2m plus 1 into pi. I want only theta, no? Theta equal to 2m plus 1 into pi minus alpha, m belongs to z. This is one of the important result. Say this is result number 2. So time is completing, please observe Nana here. See here, sin theta equal to 0. What is theta, Nana? n pi only, no? Or k pi only, or m pi only, or l pi only, any integer into pi, integral multiple of pi. That's what I can say here. Theta minus alpha by 2 equal to, I will use another integer, some k already used, m already, n already used. What I can say, some alpha I will write, alpha also are used, no, here. Some l I will write, no problem. L pi where l belongs to z. So theta minus alpha I want. Theta minus alpha equal to, theta minus alpha equal to L into 2 pi where L belongs to Z. But I want theta only. Theta equal to what happened na? 2L pi. 1 minute. That is not right way to write. Just we want write 2 pi into L I can write. 2 pi into L plus alpha where L belongs to an integer. Students listen now. Yeah, this is third one. బాబు మీకు ఏమైనా డిఫికల్ట్గా ఫీల్ అయితే మాత్రం లివ్ ఇట్, జస్ట్ మీకు ఫార్ములా గుర్తుపెట్టుకొని ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. బట్ హౌ యూ గాట్ ద రిజల్ట్, దట్ ఈస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. అదే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేస్తున్నాను నేను. ఓకే, ఫ్రమ్ 2 and 3, సియర్ ఫ్రమ్ 2 and 3, students, this is very 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 important, very 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 important. Observe here. So observe these two, observe these two. What is this? Odd number, odd integer. 2m plus 1 is odd integer only, no? For m, take any integer m, the value of 2m plus 1 is either 1 or 3 or -3 or -5 only. Odd integer into pi minus alpha. Odd integer into pi minus alpha. Here even integer, this one, even integer pi, or another words I can say 2l pi I can write. 1 minute, I will show you. Yeah, better one is what I can write, 2l pi, 2l pi, okay, or what is the better one? Yeah, pi 2l pi, okay. So what is the meaning of this, Nana? This is even integer, no? This one 2l is even integer, even integral multiple of pi plus alpha, odd multiple of pi minus alpha. Now I want mix these two, what I can say, theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 power n into alpha, where n belongs to z and alpha is a principal solution. Students, here important, how I generalized, that is important. How I got this, that is important. Do one thing, take n equal to 2m plus 1, Nana. I will erase this. I think you people can take screenshot for this for a few minutes. Okay, time is completing. Wait. Students, how you got the result, I will explain, Nana. Yeah, listen. So instead of n I can write 2m plus 1, and instead of n I can write 2l also. So n is taken as 2m plus 1. Substitute here, what happened? 2m plus 1 into pi plus minus 1 into 2m plus 1 into alpha. So minus 1, this odd number, no? Odd integer. Minus 1 power odd integer, minus 1 only, no? So what you will get, Nana? 2m plus 1 into pi minus alpha you will get. This one you will get. Instead of you write n is equal to 2m plus. So instead of n you write 2l. So what happened? 2l pi plus minus 1 power 2l alpha. So 2l pi minus 1 power even integer means this total positive only, no? So what you will get? You will get this. So combination of these two should have this form, Nana. Should have this form. What is that? N pi plus minus 1 power n alpha, where n belongs to z. You people should remember this result. So time is completing. Okay, final result, Nana. So final conclusion, students, sin theta equal to k, where k belongs to minus 1 to 1, then I can say that theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 power n into alpha, where n belongs to z and alpha is a particular solution or principal solution. Or sometimes alpha belongs to minus pi by 2, or I can say alpha belongs to 0 to 2 pi.